There once was a time when law enforcement's only options for responding to resistance were fists, kicks, batons, or chemical sprays, leading not only to large number of suspect injuries, but lots of injured officers as well. Fortunately, a much safer, more effective technology was developed. It's called a TASER electronic control device, or ECD. So what is a TASER ECD? A TASER ECD uses compressed nitrogen to fire two probes that attach to a subject, sending electricity through attached wires. These electric signals temporarily overwhelm the communications between the brain and the muscles, rendering the subject temporarily incapacitated. Unlike older methods that require pain or injury to be effective, a TASER ECD offers a much safer approach. A study by Sergeant Greg Meyer of the Los Angeles Police Department concluded that many of LAPD's standard tactics resulted in injury rates to subjects of 78% or more. In cases involving the TASER ECD, significant injuries to subjects and officers fell to zero. Today, 17,000 law enforcement agencies in over 100 countries now deploy TASER ECDs, reporting dramatically lower injuries to officers and the public. TASER ECDs have been used an estimated 1.6 million times in the field, saving over 90,000 lives from potential serious injury or death. TASER ECDs don't just save lives, they save money. When the Houston Police Department deployed TASER ECDs to all its officers, workers' compensation costs fell by over $2 million per year, and more officers returned home safely to their families. In Michigan, the State Risk Management Agency saw excessive force claims drop by almost $7 million per year, as police across 150 agencies were able to safely end dangerous confrontations with TASER devices. Today, when U.S. agencies are paying $2.5 billion each year to settle legal claims, new approaches are needed to safeguard precious budgetary resources and to preserve the trust between public safety officers and the communities they protect. In the 21st century, one of the most important weapons a police officer carries will be his camera. A study from the International Association of Chiefs of Police found that 93% of complaints against police were dismissed when video was present, an impressive result based solely on in-car cameras. And 90% of police work doesn't even happen in front of a car. Pioneering the new field of officer-worn cameras, agencies in the UK found that complaints against police fell by 100% to zero. And officers spent almost 10% more time out on patrol doing the job they love, with a lightened burden of paperwork due to an original video record. That's like expanding your patrol force by 10% overnight. TASER now brings officer-based video technology to mainstream policing with the Axon Flex Point of View video system. Coupled with the power of cloud computing and Evidence.com, an infinitely scalable and ultimately secure digital evidence management system that can have your agency live with this powerful capability today. Seeing the power and speed of cloud computing, the federal government of the United States announced a new cloud-first policy, requiring federal agencies to use cloud computing when possible to reduce costs and time. With Evidence.com, TASER is using the cloud to accelerate the deployment of new public safety capabilities, faster, at a lower cost, and easier to use than has ever been possible before. When you buy TASER products, you're not only getting a quality product, you also get the TASER experience, our world-class customer service, support, reliability, and training. Protect life, protect truth. Protect your agency and your community with TASER.